Hey everyone, got a couple packages in today from overseas. These are from Aliexpress. Don't know really what they are without checking out the tracking numbers, but this one says anti-static curved straight tip pliers. So let's open them up, see what we got for the RC workbench. So I have more packages coming in. It's always fun. Get a good deal. Ooh. So, pliers meant these are the anti-static tweezers. They got a little rubber guard on them. I got these for soldering and desoldering. For that way I don't shock whatever Arduino based projects or soldering, desoldering, whatever. Good for electronics. I got those for I think maybe $1 for one. You can get a set I think for like $4 for a few of them. Just wanted to try them out. Just having something on my workbench that specifically made for that. They have different you can pick different tips, like shape tips for whatever you want, so I just kind of picked something that looked good that I think would work. So I think those will come in handy. Let's check out the next package. This came from probably China. I think the first package came from like Kazakhstan or something. Let's see. Oh, this looks like a consolidated package. Just give me a second here. Okay, and we're back. Just wanted to mark these up. Got 3 packages in the consolidated package. It's kind of nice that they're doing that. It speeds up, seems to speed up shipments, and it will go through different carriers, and then when they consolidate, it usually goes to Aliexpress standard shipping. So that usually goes faster, and it gets through customs faster. So it's nice that they do that. All right, I don't know what these are, so let's open them up. I know the majority of things I order, they're RC related in some way, usually, or trying to help out my channel. So here we go. So out of this, I got, hopefully these are 50. Usually, you know, when I order screws, they're in like counts of 50. These are 50 with a 6mm flat hex screws. Ordered these for my SEX24 B-lock wheels I printed. I want to change out my break the bond of the stock tires and put those on B-locks, and hopefully I'll get trying to get some RC four-wheel drive rock creepers, I believe, but it'll be nice to have B-locks. So I've been waiting on these screws to start my SEX24 project, because I have a servo to install and move around some things. So, and then I ordered I believe this is an M2 tap, metric tap. I have yet to order a handle for it, but I think I believe this is I'll have to measure it. I forgot what it was, M3 or M2, but this will be nice for metal and plastic 3D prints, or to retap an existing plastic part for an RC car, and you know, making metal custom parts, and having that not just a smooth hole, but something that actually has threads in it will be nice. I've been wanting to try that. So I got the tap. I think it was for $1. I'll list all the prices, and these I got for less than $1. I think it's like 78 cents. All right, let's open up the next package. All right. Ooh, yeah, I've been waiting on these too. Got a set, I think they're like 300. Don't quote me on that, I'll have to check. Once again, I'll list it. It doesn't look like 300. But it's a group of these JST plugs with crimps. Both male and female plugs. Want to get them. They were $3 for the whole package. And be good for my SX24 or small batteries. I got 1S batteries that have a weird plug on them. Not only, yeah, I like these a lot better than those white JST PH 2.0. They're just easier, and I think you know, small combat robots in the future. So, all right, next package. Looks like getting good stuff in. These got through customs fairly quick. Got here, I think all this stuff came in here within a month. I'll have to check the order times and probably list those in the description too. All right, I got a pack of, I believe these are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, nope, looks like 5 taps. I think this is the, it goes M3 to M6, I believe. I think I got these for like $2 for the whole thing with free shipping. I mean, I couldn't beat it. I was really going after the M3 tap, but just for one tap from another seller, I got this for the price of another, you know, just one tap. So once again, you know, good for metal parts, plastic, 3D prints, that kind of stuff. So, all right, this is what I got in. I think it was a good haul. And thanks for watching again. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good one.